This that you are seeing here is my new grill, but this is not any grill. This is something I researched, asked about, and test before I even get it, just to make sure my decision was right. But before I show you what it is, we need a little bit of history. About 3 weeks ago, I was planning on making a video in my pellet grill, and with everything ready, I realized it wasn't holding temperature. I tried it all. I checked the electric box, made a few deep cleans, restarted a few times, and nothing can make it hold temperature. I don't want to trash talk Z grill because this baby has been doing an amazing job for the last 5 years. But everything has an end, and apparently this is the end of this one. Right there, I started looking for my new grill. I like everything about pellet grills, but the lack of woody flavors it brings into the meat. And that is a problem all pellet grill has. Pellets don't create a lot of smoke flavor in the meat, and that is a fact. But the convenience of a pellet grill is unchallenged in the grilling and smoking world. They work as your home oven. You just set the meat, set the temperature, set the time, and walk away. There is no other smoker in the whole market that can do something like that. Until now. After researching a lot, I was able to find this grill. This is the Masterbuilt 40 inches digital charcoal smoker that cooks like a pellet grill, but with charcoal and real wood. And you might say, well, every non-pellet smoker out there do that. And you might be right if you don't know this. This grill can be configured to hold temperature as if it was a pellet grill. Yes, a set it and forget it real smoker. Damn man, Master Grill innovations are amazing. And just to make Jim happy, I have a disclaimer. This grill was sent to me by Masterbuilt, but I don't have any obligation of saying good or bad things about it. But you don't have to believe me. Let's ask somebody that have this grill for over a year and see what he has to say about it. All right, we have Tommy here from the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. He's the first one that I learned about this grill. I started searching around, and the first video that I saw was his. He has that grill for a long time, and we're gonna ask him a bunch of questions about that grill. What's up with you, Tommy? How's it going?
Good, it's going good, man, going good.
You're looking good there, man.
Thanks, brother.
How's that cooking?
Cooking's going good, man.
Hey, if you don't know, he has an awesome channel. His name is Tommy, and you should go and check them out and give him some love there. Tommy, I have a few questions about the grill, man. You have it for how long already?
I've had the pit for probably about 2 years or so.
Nice.
I think I got it when it first came out, so I'm guessing probably about 1.5 to 2 years.
You were the first person that I called about it, and you told me that the smoking flavor on that thing is amazing. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm really looking forward for that.
I'm a big gravity-fed fan by obviously Masterbuilt and also Char Griller. And I'll tell you, the Masterbuilt 40-inch vertical will outsmoke both of them. It is a dedicated smoker, you know, and that's what it does, and it does it well.
Now, one of the things that everybody tells me about vertical barbecue, vertical grills is the cleaning. How's the cleaning process on that baby?
Okay, that's a good question. You know, unlike the like let's say the Pit Boss vertical that has the glass, because the way the pellets in the Pit Boss, you could probably go 2-3 cooks before you clean the glass. With the Masterbuilt, because it puts out so much smoke, not only smoke, but real smoke, right? Because you're using real wood, not pellets. The glass must be cleaned after every cook.
You know, in general, how do you like it? How you enjoy it? I know it's a really specific kind of barbecue. It's for certain things. You cannot grill on it. It's just smoking. But tell me about it. How do you like it? How often you use it? What do you think in general about it?
You know, it is like I said, it is a smoking machine. It'll outsmoke, you know, especially at its price point. I don't think there's another pit on the market at that price point that would outsmoke this, and certainly no pellet grill at any price point will outsmoke it. I haven't used it lately. I've been using the gravity feds of the Char Griller and the Masterbuilt, but I'll tell you, I'm due to use it. All
right, guys, this is Tommy from the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Check them out. He has a lot of crazy videos there that are really good, and he's my good friend. So go and give him some love and say that the ninja sent you. Thank you, Tommy. I'll be talking to you later on, okay?
All right, brother. Thanks, man.
All right, my man.
All right.
What I'm gonna do next is assemble this grill up and give it the first burn so we can all see how it works and get it ready for the next video cook-off.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are...
This right here is the fan that is in charge of keeping the temperature in the grill, as it would blow air over the charcoal when the temperature needs to rise. And it's gonna keep it exactly as if it was a pellet grill. Genius.
Now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
And this one here is the controller. This is the one that allows to set temperature and do all the things that we need to do with this grill.
But baby, it's breaking my heart. Is it over? How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know when I go. Truthfully, the game that you've been playing felt so real to me. I once believed that you could be my destiny. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. Who is she? How can you reject me so damn easily? Who are you and what are we?
Well, it is all assembled, it's looking good. I really like the way it looks. And I think we have a lot of space there to smoke a lot of stuff. I mean, all we have to do now is give it the first burn off, just to clean everything up. The recommendation is to keep it at 275 for 2 hours and then crank it up all the way to 400. This grill goes all the way from 225 degrees all the way to 400 degrees. That's on Fahrenheit. I'm putting the centigrades or the Celsius down there so you can see. And that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna fill it up with charcoal. We're gonna light it up. And let's burn this thing up and see what happens. This is the last time you're gonna see it that clean and pretty, so take some photos. Now to light it up, we have this little section here. I don't know if you can see it there. It's just a little section there with the metal. And we have some Masterbuilt starters that they sent to me. So we're gonna light it up with these starters. And you know, this is the ones that comes like that. So I'm just gonna break a little section out of it. I'm gonna put it in there, light it up. And I guess I'm gonna throw some charcoal on it or something like that. So now all we have to do is get this that work as a drawer and just set it up in there. It's a little heavy, but it's not crazy, right? It will fall in there. And as you can see, the vent chimney is just gonna be blowing air right there where that is. So I think that's gonna be the function of this thing or how it works. So let's close it up and let's set it up to 275. So to start, you have to push the start button, then the temperature button. You will set it to 275. You press the temperature button and it will start in 3 seconds. There you go, can you hear it? Well, as you can see, I sweat a little bit doing this job, but it's looking really good. I'm gonna leave it there for 2 hours, and then after that, we're just gonna turn it up to 400 and let it burn all the charcoal. That's the way you season this whole thing, and that's the way it should be okay. I don't know if you ever tried it before. If you never tried it, check it out because it's really cool and you can fit a lot of meat in there. We have 4 different trays and you can change the position of the trays and do a lot of things with it. You also have that little tray down there with the water, which is essential if you really want to keep everything going properly and at the right temperature. In the middle, there is a divider that doesn't allow the heat of all the charcoal and everything to pass over, and it doesn't allow the juices falling for the meat falling into the charcoal. Something that might be cool, you know, you get some nice flavors there from the fat falling on the charcoal, but that's the way it's built. It's comfortable. It's just easy process. You open up in here, you have access to everything. As soon as you open any door, it will shut down. And when you set it back, it will continue going. It will keep the temperature really well. As you see, my friend Tommy say everything about it, and he promised me that the flavors, the wood flavors in this grill are unique of this grill. Mostly any other grill can do the things this one can do. The metal outside is kind of thin. It's gonna get hot. You have to be careful if you're around kids and things like that. So, you know, this is something that I'm thinking I'm gonna place there and just leave it there. It's gonna be really comfortable for me to do anything in here. It's gonna be appropriate for the channel because it's gonna be a smoker right there. And it's something that I'm really excited to use. I mean, I've been looking for something like this. I love innovation. I love all these different ideas that are coming around with grills and things like that. And I love to play with those things. And this one gives me the ability of doing it. Thank you so much, Masterbuilt, for sending this to me. I'm gonna be doing a lot of testing to this, and I will let you know if it's as good as I think it is or not. But next video we have an amazing test that you guys have to check out. For now, we're just gonna let it burn. If you like the video, please remember to hit it with the like, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and tell me what do you think about vertical grills in general, you know? It's crazy. I mean, charcoal and wood flavor into the food with a controller like that, priceless. That's all for today, guys, but remember that I love you.